tell me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, welcome. I'm Brooke and I make lifestyle videos. So this video is a couple day compilation around 4th of July weekend. If you like these type of videos, don't forget to head over to my channel and check out the playlist. I have a whole variety. But before we get into it with this video, if you haven't already, don't forget, subscribe below, give this video a big thumbs up, and let's get into it. Just made myself a quick lunch. I made a grilled cheese with Milton's multi-grain bread and Colby Jack cheese, some original Lay's, and a dill pickle. Hey guys. Here's before the paint job. This room's been started. So much brighter. Oh my gosh. Finally calling it a day. I have paint on my face. How long is that in there? We painted all of the offices upstairs. We're not even done with one floor. This is gonna take a long time. It's the next day. It's about 9 a.m. My sister had some work stuff she had to do today, some meetings, and she wasn't able to be here, and it was the only day the cable people could be here. So I am working from here. I've got my little setup going. For this being a big empty building with no one else in it, there are a lot of noises, and I'm trying not to panic, but I'm probably one of the most paranoid people in the world, and I always just like create my own scary like stories in my head and then convince myself that I'm about to be the victim of them. Because why not freak myself out? Why allow myself to be happy when I could be terrified, you know? So that's what I'm doing. But I got a pile of screws here next to me. Unknown why, but I'm prepared. There are some longer ones to, like, you know, use them to defend myself. Although we've got a crowbar here also. I've got some other weapon type equipment. So if someone does come for me, I can do that. Or I can run for it out of one of the many doors, you know, fight or flight, we'll see. We are on our way to date day. We are going to Topgolf. Oh my gosh, it's so bright. We have arrived and it is not even that packed. Let's go. So apparently Topgolf now has Angry Birds. So we're doing Chuck's challenge first. The first game I've won today. How are you feeling about losing to me after winning like 6 times in a row?
Defeated.
Defeated? That's what I thought. That's what I was going for. No, I am the winner. This piece of wood came up, so I just like wood glued it down, and then I tried scotch taping it down. I was like, yeah, that's not gonna hold it. So now I have some chairs holding it down as it dries. So hopefully this will work. I don't really know how to repair it. It's not like nailed in or anything, but I'm just gonna hope for the best. For lunch, I made a 3-cheese tortellini with some pesto. Hey, 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 happy Friday. I am on my way back from a couple customer meetings right now. I just got a call from Darren that the deed is done this morning, early this morning. We had this guy and his grandson come out to come remove a bunch of like junk that we were getting rid of that we can't fit in a trash can. So yeah, we just had a bunch of stuff. So all of that is gone, super exciting. This week we also have someone coming out to give us a quote. We are replacing our garage doors. We have a 3-car garage, and the small garage door, the previous owners, like, I don't know, like drove into it. It's not like visually super damaged, like there's a dent, but something about where they hit the dent, it like prevents the garage door from opening. So the single car garage door does not open. We want our garage to be fully functional, and they're just like
not the cutest. So we're gonna be getting new garage doors. We're getting our fences redone because the fence is old. We need a new one. And then we're restaining our deck this summer. We're going to be, we call it the same AstroTurf company that replaced all the grass with turf. And they're going to be replacing, pulling out all the rocks and filling all those areas with turf, which is just gonna really make the entire yard feel bigger without actually expanding it, because there's so much wasted space right now. Excuse me, this is not your lane. Anyway, so yeah, that's gonna be absolutely fantastic. Super excited. Just a lot of changes are happening and we're stoked. Kicking off a holiday weekend with a car wash. So here's a bit about the garage situation. I mean, it's not super obvious, but you can kind of see where it was hit in and a little damaged. So yeah, I mean, it doesn't look the worst, but the fact that it prevents the door from opening is the problem. And then it's like a little cracked up here. You can see where the pups have basically like scratched off all the stain. So yeah, we're getting this restained to match the fence. So all of these rocks are gonna be gone. All of these rocks. The pieces of the ceiling, we're finally getting that repaired. All of this is all going to be turf. But see how all around there's just like all these rocks and it's like unused space. So all of this is going to be turf. My handiwork with the wood glue yesterday, haha, it worked out. I repaired it. Woo, go me. I wanted to give you guys a bit of a sneak peek of what the garage looks like. Okay, so there's like a little step down here. Pretty much you could step down and go like right in this area and that's it. You couldn't use any of this other space in the garage. Just so much stuff. So yeah, we are so excited. Also, see how much space is under the garage doors because of like the dents that they had. So also things can just get right in, which is another reason that we really need new garage doors to like properly seal. I guess when I had caught up with Darren, he told me that I guess the garage people did come out this morning when I was at work, and they can order the ones that we want. However, I guess because of COVID, all of like manufacturing is super backed up. So they're like, I think it was 2 to 3 months out with the garage doors. So we are gonna do it. But just so you guys know, there's not really gonna be a lot of update on that. But hopefully, I think the fencing and turf will be able to be done sooner than that. So I was waiting for Darren to get home, and I decided to kick off this holiday weekend. I would empty the freezer and just like clean, sanitize, organize the whole thing. Oh my gosh, this makes me so happy. Next is the fridge, but it's a little too full right now. All right, we've got Wingstop. I've got Original Hot. Darren had, what do you have?
I went bold, I went balsamic.
Well, looks like there too.
The habanero and the Cajun.
Oh, and the Cajun. And the, wait.
Cajun.
Oh, that's Cajun. Okay.
Habanero, atomic.
Happy July 3rd, you guys. I think this is the first time I've ever done a clip in this video. It's like, I don't even know what time it is. I'm tired though. We're getting ready. We're going to be going to Darren's parents' house to go boating today. And then tomorrow, the 4th of July, I need to make sure we're here at night to kind of hold things down with the pups because they are going to be stressing out. We just got to Grandma and Grandpa's. There they are, off to the races.
Go get them!
Off to the races. This is what they look forward to every time. We let them out early so they can go run straight to the front door.
Cousins reuniting!
Oh my gosh, everyone's so excited! Happy 4th of July, guys! So it is about 1 o'clock. We got back about half an hour ago from Darren's parents' house because we were out there boating yesterday, as you guys saw in the previous clips. And we were gonna go bar hopping today and like catch up with friends and such. We're gonna also go to like a pool party for my sister, watch fireworks. However, we really are just feeling pretty drained today. And then also, I don't think I've told you guys yet, but we are going to Europe. We've been trying to take this Europe trip for like 4 years now. However, I switched jobs twice and then I didn't have like enough PTO hours to actually take the time, and then COVID happened. So finally we're like, we have waited so long, we're ready to book it. So we decided instead of booking it later this week, we're just gonna stay home. We're gonna book it today. I tried to DoorDash food twice today, and then after waiting like 45 minutes for the food, all of a sudden it was canceled because secretly the place was closed the whole time. I don't even understand how it let me get that far if the place was closed. But anywho, now I'm on my way to go pick up some Mediterranean food from a restaurant that apparently is bomb near my house I've never been to. The food has been secured. So here are the 3 different things of hummus that Darren got, and then there are 2 pita breads in here, and then my meal came with some pita as well, and then this is my chicken shawarma wrap. Oh my gosh, it tastes so good. So there's like sauce and hummus and everything in there, so it looks a little messy and weird, but just take my word for it, this is bomb. Oh my gosh, your trip to Paris is booked! Ah, we just got our email confirmations, it's official, and now we are looking at a bunch of different hotels over here. So we just finished booking our hotel, and I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek because it's just so ridiculously beautiful. And when we're there, of course, we give you guys the names of everything, whether or not we'd recommend it, so on and so forth. But I just really wanted to give you guys a sneak peek because it's just so beautiful. I can't even handle it. Stocking up for the week. Hello. Okay, so grocery shopping took way longer than anticipated. I swear my grocery store like restructured everything. They like moved everything around. They reorganized. So it took me so long to find everything. I swear I went through every aisle like 3 times. It was a mess. Now I'm on my way to my second laser appointment. So let's talk about the exciting stuff coming up right now. So we booked France, and yes, I'm going to be vlogging in France. It's going to be amazing. Can't wait, really can't wait. We're going to Euro Disney. We're gonna do all the usual things. We're gonna be going to the Louvre. We're gonna be going Versailles, Notre Dame, Arc de Triomphe, probably the catacombs. Did I say Euro Disney? Euro Disney. We're gonna be going to wine country, might be spending a day or 2 there. We're gonna be doing some other tours. I think we're gonna be doing like a picnic excursion at the Eiffel Tower, and really just, you know, doing all the things and finding unique things to do too. Don't be a ghost viewer, subscribe. We've got travel vlogs. We've got a lot more than just France. We've actually booked quite a few trips for the latter end of the year, and it's gonna be fun. So this really is just like not my week. So first, I just found out that when we booked the France trip, it overlaps a girls trip that I had scheduled back in February. We already paid for hotels. I already bought my flight. Like, we were set. We're already like booking everything. And in my head, it was the last weekend of August. So when we were talking about going to France in August, I was like, okay, we need to go the first half of August because I can't miss the girls trip. And so we specifically moved the date. And then I find out today that my memory was completely wrong, and the girls trip is the first weekend of August. So I just double booked myself. I'm really disappointed about that. And then I get here today, my appointment for laser, I had it saved as 1:45. It turns out my appointment was 1:25, and they only have a 5-minute rule, so I already missed my appointment. So I was like, dude, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? So luckily they were able to take me at 1:15, so it's going to be okay. And then I had to go to Ulta anyway, and they have an Ulta like a 2-minute drive from there. So I went there, and I still have about 10 minutes until my appointment. So I'm gonna make this fast, but I'm gonna do a quick Ulta haul for you guys. Okay, So I'm trying 2 new razors. These ones have 5 blades. These ones have 3. I usually use 4 blades, but they didn't have 4. So we're trying both alternatives. And then I got 2 of these. So they're the Mighty Patch. They're like pimple patches. So apparently when you have like a breakout, you put this on it and it's kind of like a spot treatment, but like more effective. So yeah, I'm excited to try these. Also thinking I'm gonna bring them to France because I had to be looking cute in my photos, you know? We don't have time for breakouts. And then I got 2 black eyeliners. And then I got Revlon black liquid liner. So I do liquid on the top and I do like the stick at the bottom. And then I got lipstick. So this is the brand Kat Dawn B in the color Bow and Arrow. So usually I use Kylie Cosmetics. However, Kylie Cosmetics website is down. They are out of stock at Ulta and I can't find it anywhere else. Otherwise, the people are saying they're like knockoffs, not the real thing. So I was hoping to get it in person here, but there was like literally no Kylie cosmetic products, period. So the lady that worked there helped me look up a dupe, and apparently this is like the dupe. I'm basically looking for like a deep like nude color for my skin tone because all regular nudes look buck wild on me. Okay, so right now I have Kylie Cosmetics Dolce K on, so that's like identical. That's identical. Wow. Okay. Yes, this is a great dupe. This is a fantastic dupe. That's the move. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna get whenever Dolce K is out of stock. I'm happy. I have a couple minutes until my appointment and I will not miss it again today. Off we go.
Round 2. Okay.
8 minutes later, we are good to go. They turned it up, I think 2 levels for each site. So I'm hoping that that's also going to help results come a little faster. So super excited about that. Now I am heading home and then we're going to enjoy some wine and do some more research and book some stuff for France. Happy Tuesday morning. It is my Monday because I didn't work yesterday because the 4th of July. We got Monday off. So I've got my almond milk vanilla latte over here. Morning walk. It is finally time to end off this video. If you guys haven't already, don't forget, subscribe below and give this video a big thumbs up. Later today, I'm going to be starting off another vlog prepping for France. We're gonna be doing some clothing hauls. I'm gonna take you guys along for part of my fitness journey. I signed up to do some like Pilates classes and stuff, and there's just a lot of new things that are going to be happening. So if you haven't already, please do subscribe, stick around, join the vlog family. I would absolutely love that. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.
Talk to me, baby. I've been waiting for